All right, hi you guys. Hi everybody. Today is Tuesday, November 8th. Today is General Election Day, and it's a very rainy day today. It's about 1:40 right now p.m. So it turned out to be a really wet day, but there's my Thanksgiving wreath that I've had for a few years. I really like it. It's a little bit lopsided, but and then I have that little pumpkin wood plaque there, and then I'm standing in the rain, guys. I have my turkey flag. Can you guys see how much it's raining? Let's see. Here we go. See all this puddle of water? Oh shoot, this is the turtle corral, and there is, it looks like Shelly. I think she's drinking water. Can you see her by the banana? I'm gonna try to get a close-up. See her right there? Oh shoot, I think we're gonna have to move them. Anyway, so I'm off to drop off our, oh gosh, the Quonset hut is opened. I'm getting wet. The Quonset hut is opened, and the rabbits are, oh God, I gotta go do this. Maybe when I come back. Guys, there's the for sale sign. The for sale sign went up on November 2nd. So I'm jumping into the car here. Oh my goodness. Oh God. Let's see if I can do this, guys. I'm getting soaked. Did I? Okay. All right. Oh, shoot. Good Lord. Oh, my goodness. I gotta hurry because... Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Sorry, guys. It doesn't take long for the there's the mailman right there, poor guy. It doesn't take long for the streets, well, not all the streets, but some streets in El Rio get flooded quite easily. So I have my headlights on, and yeah, so, well, I know it's been a minute since I posted shared a video. I guess, the house is up for sale now as of, that house over there is my father's house, my father's old house, and that house is up for sale again as well. But coincidentally, that's just a coincidence. Okay, I have to slow down because there's like some serious puddles going on. So as I was saying, haven't shared a video vlog in a while. Just been taking things one day at a time, and kind of what ended up happening was I was so busy. Robert too, because he did a lot of things for me, but a lot of it was just me by myself. And I was so busy for days and weeks getting the house ready, and then finally the day came when they needed to come and take pictures, and and so that day came, and they did that, and then now it's it's on the internet, and all the websites where you go to look for houses for sale, and like all the pressure was finally like behind me, I guess you could say, you know, because all the energy and time and preparation that I put into getting the house ready for that, and then so that day came and went, and then all the pressure was lifted. So I'm gonna try to make a left-hand turn into the parking lot here, where I can drop off our ballots. Sorry about the fog, or yeah, my windows are fogging up. This is an old car, you guys. This is Robert's car. Okay, so I got here, so I'm gonna make a dash for it. Oh my goodness. This is a drop-off place here in El Rio. Here in El Rio at the Solis Library. So, where do you... Okay, kind of wet out here. Oh my goodness. Hope you guys saw that. See, official ballot drop-off box. Haha. This is the little library here where I live in El Rio. Okay, you guys, I am going to make my way back to the car. I mean, the rain is a blessing, though, you know. We really, really, really need the rain, especially with all this drought going on. So, whoops, wrong car. Sorry, was that your car?
Yeah, you can take off with it.
Oh, sorry, I'm thinking.
Don't worry, I do the same thing.
Oh, that was funny.
This weather is...
I know, bye.
I just came from Ventura and it hit hard over there.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's a blessing, but
It is, it's a blessing, but at the same time.
I know, right? Bye, drive. I know, huh? Oh my God. I'm literally, oh shoot. Oh my God. I'm soaking wet. I almost got, I walked up to the wrong car. Oh my goodness. I'm still filming. I'm nuts. Damn. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. That was funny. See this black car right here? I wish that was my car. I almost opened, you know, almost went into the wrong car. That's what that lady was laughing at me about. Sorry, you guys, it's so foggy in here. So sorry. I'm trying to squeeze. Oh. Okay, we're gonna. Sorry, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm soaking wet. So back to what I was saying. yeah, so after all, I felt like relieved, you know, after everything, and finally I got to relax a little bit. So that's kind of what I just have been doing for a few days. I'm basically just giving myself a little bit of downtime. Okay, so street is really has a lot of puddles. So what else was I gonna say? You know, just kind of talking a little bit from like the experience of so far since putting my house up for sale. Like lots of people have like driven by and seen the sign and stopped, or people just pull up almost like they maybe see it first somewhere, like online someplace, you know, like Zillow or something like that, and then they kind of come and check it out for themselves. It says on the sign for them, you know, not to disturb the occupants, so they're not supposed to come and get down and not, you know, knock on the door. But today, it happened today. An older lady, I think it was her grandson maybe that was with her, who came and she got down off her car and walked up to the front door, and I was just coming out of the house, so I stood outside and talked with her a few minutes, and she was telling me that they had just come from looking at a house in Ventura, and that how she was saying how on the internet the pictures make the house really look nice, but then in person the houses don't look as nice. So but she was saying that she said that my house, she says, looks like it's really has been really well taken care of, you know. So anyways, I told her that she needed to call Nancy to set up an appointment with Nancy if she was interested in, you know, coming for a tour of the house. So speaking of house, we're, oh my goodness, we're home again, back home. So yeah, there's my flag. Ah, what a wet day. So I'm gonna come and, I can't, here's the keys. Excuse me? Look at how wet I am.
You're a moron.
Don't call me that. You know what? You're gonna come out on the video saying that. Oh, these are persimmons that I'm gonna give to the tortoise, and thought I would just give a little quick tour of things. So this is the kitchen. We're making a caldo de pollo, chicken soup, and anyways, coming through, this is my little Thanksgiving decoration, and this is Vincent's room. I think I shared this room a time before. This is the room that Dorothy was renting. So this is just another room I come to sometimes just to sit here and look at TV. And so this is Helena's room here in front of me, and she's actually home right now. And this is the nicer bathroom. And anyways, we're gonna come through right in here. And so yeah, guys, I just wanted to say those things, and hope everybody's doing okay. And